What's up guys, it's Human World, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to edit like Grandayy. So this is the example I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. This video is based on one of his recent videos where he did like a Trump edit. I'm going to be using Adobe Premiere for this tutorial, so if you don't have it, I'm sorry, that's all I'm going to use. Without further ado, let's get it. First things first is new project. Name the project whatever you want. Grandayy example for me. You can name it whatever you want. Find the clip you want to use, and in my case it is this right here. You drag it into your timeline and cut out the part you want, and I want to use this part right here. Right, this is basically the audio above this one, and at the top is the video. So we remove the audio because we don't really need that. Then I drag it from here to the part to the part I want to use. Look at all these people, man. Yeah, cool. So this is the part I want to use. So you might be wondering, how can we remove the background and just have big old Trumpy Trump? Well, you can do this by an effect called masking. Okay, and then press create ellipse mask and move it up to the second layer. Move this one, this is the first layer, this is the second layer. Move it up there, press create ellipse mask. Boom. Bruh. What just happened? Well, we removed the entire background. The only thing that will show is what's inside the circle. Right? And this is how you remove the background and just have whatever you want to have. In this case, the head. So you might be wondering, how do we get the body? Well, we don't have the body. Well, next point is we create this thing, the square, the polygon mask. Boom. Alright, and in order to have, you can only have 4 polygons right now, but in order to add more, you hold CTRL control and then press left click. Boom, you got more polygons. And keep doing that until you got all the polygons in the world. See? And this is how you make your own green screen, and this is what Grandayy did, I think. I'm assuming, unless he found a green screen. And this takes a lot of time, so I'm just gonna quickly go through it. See, this is how you get. See, this is a very sloppy green screen. I'm not gonna do it so into detail, because why would I do that? It's just a quick video. So you might be wondering, let me do a little shorter clip like this, just to show. Right, and now you're wondering, how can we animate it? Now it's stuck. See, over here it's different. He's not in that same spot. So how can we move it? Well, you press mask path layer. Oh, and click this one, mask path. This will, so this when you hold this is the square, this is the body, this is the head. Now let's animate the head. See, let's go to the next frame. He moved a little bit. Nah, he's good. Oh, he moved a little bit. Let's do it like this. He's good. Oh, he moved a little bit. And then keep doing that until you got the entire body moving. Boom, boom, boom. And then now with the body. Now we're gonna do the same with the body. Make sure you go all the way to the back at the beginning, and then press the same mask path, toggle animation. Boom. Okay, he moved a little bit. Then move the hold. You gotta press this yellow body, the yellow inside the yellow lines, and move it around. Then the next frame, okay, he moved a little bit. Cool, he moved a little bit. You can also mess around like this. And before somebody says, oh, he's not everything, you can still see the background. Yeah, guys, it's just a quick example. I will usually make it way more accurate, but just for a video. Oh, he moved a little bit. Oh, he moved a little bit. Just do like that. Move the legs in. Cool. Cool. Like got like a few sexy. See? Now we got him alone, away from the background. Now we can do whatever we want with him.
Bruh.
We can, for example, add a Minecraft background. Okay, this one, for example. Okay, this is funny, right? So, like, this is the background I'm gonna use. Right. Okay, and what I just did right now was press position and scale to animate those two things. Like it's the same thing. It's basically like animating. We're gonna make the background move a little bit. We're gonna make the background move a little bit so it looks a little cooler. Okay, cool. Then we put a Minecraft helmet PNG. See, and this we're gonna animate this one. Put it over the head. See, now it looks. See, we got that black stuff inside there. We don't want that, right? So press create ellipse mask, but this time invert it. Right. Cool. So now it looks like it's on his head. Kind of looks very funny. Cool. Now we're gonna animate the position, which is where it is. Scale is its size. Rotation is rotation, right? So let's say, boom, he moved a little bit. Cool. Then we animate it there. He moved a little bit. Boom, cool. Moved it a little bit, cool. Now you see, now he moved a lot. So now you gotta put it there. And let's rotate it, rotate a little bit, just to make it like cool. So it looks like it's actually on top of his head. Right, boom. Now it looks like he's ready to fight some creepers. We can also add a sword if you want to. We're the same, put it inside. Like we can make it look like it's inside his hand by doing this. By doing the same thing we did by inverting instead of just having a normal mask. There are better ways to do this, but this is just the quickest way just for the tutorial. And then press feather, which will make it a little bit smoother. Cool, see, now it looks like it's inside his hand. Let's go back to the first frame. Make sure it's right there, right next to his thumb. See, and now he moved a little bit. Rotate it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, see, you gotta make sure it's inside. You gotta make sure we're inside the. So that's my bad. Let's go back. Oh, just press here, and we're back here, back at square one. Make it bigger. And this is how you edit, guys. Kind of tedious process, but it's worth it to get these memes out. Boom, boom. Boom. See, now it looks dope, right? So that's just a quick example of how Grandayy edits. Hope you guys liked it. So this is what we got now. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Also, this is a part of a series I'm gonna try out. So leave a comment in the comment section who I should do next. I'm thinking maybe like Dolan Dark, PewDiePie, or somebody else that makes memes and stuff like that. So without further ado, I'm out. Peace.